Here is how to give Google Drive access. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can give the access to your Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, open the Google Drive app that you have in your device and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you will come to a screen like this. Now open the folder that you want to give access to. After that, tap on the three dots on the top right side and then go to Manage Access. Under General Access, you can see the information about who can see the drive. In order to manage access, tap on Change. Then after, tap on this arrow-like option. Now you can change the access to your Google Drive link. You can select either restricted or anyone with the link. Under restricted, only people that you have added can open the link. However, under anyone with link, as the name says, anyone with the link can access to your Google Drive. So if you want to give Google Drive access, you can either add that specific person or you can set it to anyone with the link and forward the link. So in this way, you can give Google Drive access to anyone. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.